RIOTEC since 2002. A professional barcode scanners and scanning modules manufacturer. Scan your needs. Located at New Taipei, Taiwan. Full range of barcode scanner products and marketed to 92 countries. RIOTEC products application. Stationary barcode scanner FS56XX series, fast and accurate for retail checkout. Mobile barcode scanner IDC927XXH series, turn your mobile device into a data collector. IDC960XXW series wearable barcode scanner. Can help logistics workers be more efficient. Barcode scan module SME56XX series, installed in self-service kiosk. Installed in MRT gate. Small size barcode engines. Installed in tablets and industrial PDAs for data collection. By requested, we also can support OCR code and DPM code reading. Welcome OEM and ODM, please visit our website, get more detailed information.